Video ah.
Cuba sini ya.
Come on, give me. Say there, the speak! Give it to me! You're not going to hang it. Apa tu dia? Yeah, hi. It's like video dia. Yeah, going to say something irritating or something. Hey, pig! Jangan sobek-sobek lah! Mama situ Ayo, ya mom! It's our breakfast, man. See how innovative we are? And somebody didn't bring the utensils, we use the tongs to eat noodles.
Not cool.
Not cool. Cool ah. Eat.
Tahan cool. Hurry.
You don't touch the phone lah.
Living La Vida Loca, Ricky Martin Radio on 1295 FM.
The video what you tweet for? I don't know. Okay.
Beautiful day. Coming up Thursday morning and Tuesday morning on the Morning Express. Now, Glenn's already admitted.
You already finished? Are you burning one mouth?
I mean, I've done it. A lot of us in this industry have done it because we do photo shoots quite often. You guys at home may have done it, say, for your...
Not like you one whole thing ah.